In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list services on Facebook Marketplace Vertical Bar 2026 Vertical Bar step by step. First, open Facebook and head to Marketplace. Click Create New Listing. When the options appear, choose Item for Sale. In many regions, there still isn't a dedicated services category, so Item for Sale is the standard way to get your service in front of local shoppers. Now add your service details. Start with a clear, searchable title. Keep it short and specific so people instantly understand what you offer. Examples include graphic design services, house cleaning service, social media manager for small business, or laptop repair service. Avoid vague titles and add keywords clients might search for. Next, set your price. You can list a starting price if your service is fixed, or use a placeholder like P1 and explain your actual pricing in the description. If your region allows it, free can be used to indicate custom quotes, but clarify real costs in the description so there's no confusion. Choose the closest category so Facebook shows your listing to the right people. Good fits often include business services, home services, electronics repair, or lessons and tutoring. If you're unsure, pick the one that most closely matches the outcome you deliver. Upload photos that showcase your work and build trust. Portfolio samples work great. Before and after images are powerful for cleaning, repairs, and creative services. You can also add simple flyers, Canva graphics, or screenshots of client testimonials. Use clear, well-lit visuals, and avoid sharing any personal or sensitive information in the images. Write a strong description that answers the key questions up front. Explain what you offer, highlight your experience or certifications, list the areas you serve, and outline pricing or packages. Also share how clients should contact you. Marketplace messages are typically best to keep everything in one place. Here's a simple example you can adapt. I offer social media management services for small businesses, includes content creation, scheduling, captions, and engagement, available for local and online clients. Set your location so the right audience sees your listing. Choose your city, add nearby service areas if you travel, and note delivery or online options when applicable. This helps Facebook show your listing to people who can actually book you. When everything looks good, tap Next, review your title, photos, category, price, and description for accuracy, and then tap Publish. Your service listing will now appear in Facebook Marketplace, ready for potential clients to discover. Keep an eye on your messages.